Hi, I'm Dr. Jason Moore. Today I would like to share with you some common causes of carpal tunnel syndrome and some of the most effective treatments for this condition. Carpal tunnel syndrome can be caused by major and minor traumas. A major trauma example would be a car accident. If you put your arm out to brace yourself against the dashboard, you can hit your wrist on that area and cause a problem. A minor trauma to this area that causes carpal tunnel would be such as typing or working with your hands a lot. Now, what happens to these areas when they're injured is the median nerve, which runs right through your wrist and into your hand. What happens is that this area gets irritated and inflamed, and the ligament going around your wrist, in the bones of your wrist, the ligament puts pressure on that nerve, causing symptoms such as weakness, numbness and tingling, and pain in that area. It can be very sensitive to the touch right at the base of your wrist. Some very effective therapies that we use for carpal tunnel syndrome in our office is manipulation of the area, the chiropractic adjustment to the wrist. We also use what's called electric stim. Now, the adjustment to the wrist is a very gentle, effective form of treatment for carpal tunnel syndrome. What we do is move the bones of the wrist, help increase the flexibility and mobility of the bones in the wrist, taking pressure off of that median nerve and thus helping the patient. We also use what's called electric stim, which is basically a electric massage, very light current electric massage to the area to help reduce pain and inflammation. Some of the symptoms that patients get when they have carpal tunnel syndrome, and then we use these therapies to effectively treat, are pain in the area in the wrist, weakness in the wrist, some burning pain, numbness and tingling in the areas what carpal tunnel syndrome patients get. What we do when patients receive treatment here at our office for carpal tunnel syndrome, typically they tell us they are able to work better with longer periods of time without pain in the area. They're able to sleep much better. Typically, carpal tunnel patients have difficulty sleeping because of the pain and numbness in their wrist and their hand. And they're also able to shower easier, take care of themselves better, such as blow drying their hair or combing their hair or shaving, things of this nature. They're able to do those much better and easier after our treatment here. Again, my name is Dr. Jason Moore, and we can help you if you have carpal tunnel syndrome by giving us a call at 304-523-7891.